Hey Math 1 students, welcome to a new school year, new curriculum, new math class, new everything. It's exciting. This is for Math 1. This is going to be the first cool down of the one variable statistics unit, and I think it's called planning an ice cream party? No, it's getting to know you. Anyway, a couple of key things from the lesson that we talked about in class that we need to know in order for us to do well on this cool down and on the upcoming end of unit assessment. So first of all, statistical questions versus non-statistical questions. There's just different types of questions we can ask. Statistical questions are the types of questions where we need to collect some data and we're expecting to get a variety of responses. So the sort of thing that might be like a statistical question would be like, what's your favorite movie? Or how many pets do you have? Not everybody's going to have the same favorite movie. Not everybody's going to have the same number of pets. Now, a non-statistical question would be something like, how many chairs are in Mr. Van's classroom? Somebody might have a different number than I do, but that doesn't mean that there's actually a possibility of variance in the answer. That just means they're wrong. There are 24 seats in my classroom, and everybody should get that exact same answer. No variability in the responses. Now, the next thing about questions is they can be questions that gather numerical data or categorical data. Numerical data is dealing with numbers, obviously. So that would be like the question of how many pets does somebody have, or how many pets do the students in our class have. Categorical question would be not numbers. And it could be kind of anything that's not numbers. So that question about what's your favorite movie, that's an example of a categorical data type question. So what we need to do for this cool down to be successful is we want to take a look at each of these 4 questions, and for each question you need to label it as statistical or non-statistical. Is there variation in the answers? Are we going to be able to collect some data? Or is there only one answer? That would be non-statistical. If you determine that it's a statistical question, the next thing you have to do is figure out, is it going to be numerical data or categorical data? Will the answers that you expect from students that you're polling to be numbers or not numbers, like favorite movies, favorite cereals, that kind of stuff? If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope this video helps.